From the hills of Vermont to Malibu waves, driving through sunrise, watching new days. Valleys in Virginia, plains of Dakota, trucking on the move road, that's my quota. Hard road to travel, it's where I belong. Diesel humming rhythm of my song. Miles of freedom, wide open sky. Peace and purpose, it's highway fly by. Cities of Texas, forests of Maine. Seasons changing, worlds in a game. California sunsets, New York's lights. Every mile a story, every journey's flight. Snows of Minnesota, sands of Arizona, traveler of the soul, endless panorama. Mile markers, past towns I see, guardian of highways, wild and free. Through Rocky Mountains to deserts dry, feel the wheels turning me, oh my. Highway whispers, tales and breeze. Heartbeats racing, never cease. Hard road to travel, it's where I belong. Diesel humming rhythm of my song. Miles of freedom, wide open sky. Peace and purpose, as highways fly by. Through Rocky Mountains to deserts dry, feel the wheels turning me, oh my. Highway whispers, tales and breeze. Heartbeats racing, never cease. Hard road to travel, it's where I belong. Diesel humming rhythm of my soul. Miles of freedom, wide open sky. Peace and purpose, as highways fly by.